morning wakes beneath the golden sun. A gentle breeze says the day has begun. Green leaves dancing, flowers in bloom. Nature whispers in a sweet perfume. The little pond is shining bright, holding the colors of morning light. Clouds are floating across the blue, and every wave feels fresh and new. Oh, listen to the river breeze, hear the rustling of the trees. In this quiet, peaceful land, I feel the earth beneath my hands. Beautiful nature, beautiful sky, on water sparkling as clouds drift by. Green fields glowing in the morning sun. A peaceful journey has just begun. Oh, beautiful nature, stay with me. Let my heart wander wild and free, where the water shines and the birds fly high. I find my dreams beneath the sky. The lotus flowers gently touch the breeze. The little birds sing among the trees. Dragonflies dance over the water blue, painting little circles as they fly through. A fisherman walks along the shore while gentle ripples reach the door. The village wakes in a peaceful way, wrapped in the warmth of a brand new day. Oh, every ripple has a song, every breeze keeps moving along. No hurry here, no need to run, just the earth, the sky, and the sun. Beautiful nature, beautiful sky, on water sparkling as clouds drift by. Green fields glowing in the morning sun. A peaceful journey has just begun. Oh, beautiful nature, stay with me. Let my heart wander wild and free, where the water shines and the birds fly high. I find my dreams beneath the sky. When the evening slowly comes, golden light replaces the sun. The pond reflects the fading glow, like a mirror where the soft winds flow. Trees turn dark against the light, birds return before the night, and in the silence I can hear the beautiful earth drawing near. Moonlight falls upon the pond, silver waves keep moving on. Stars appear in the open sky while quiet dreams come.